is Sweetie Petey, and she was dropped off in a random yard and abandoned, and she was skin and bone and very shy, but now she's gained some weight, and she's very smart and very loving, and she's house trained and crate trained, and she's very treat motivated. She's going to be very loyal to someone because she will stick with you. I walk around my house and she's right behind me all the time. She just wants to be loved. She's very sweet.
We think that Sweetie Petey, it's actually a girl, is an English pointer. Someone that was here really thought that was the main breed in her, though she is definitely a mix. She gets along so good with kids, with other dogs. Just a very sweet little girl. And if you are interested in Sweetie, you can go to caninecollective.org, and you can fill out an application there. She is looking for her forever home. And this is very, very sweet Sweetie.